Feel like you're scaling a mountain with Dynamics GP migration? Cut through the confusion with this step-by-step roadmap. No jargon, just a clear path to a successful migration. Every year, thousands of businesses face this challenge, but with the right plan, you can navigate these waters safely. First, assess your current Dynamics GP system. Understand your data, modules, and processes. Look out for customizations, data quality, unsupported modules, and regulatory compliance. Identify your business requirements, feature needs, and goals for the new Acumatica system. Consider future growth and involve key stakeholders. Next, draft a detailed migration plan with contingencies for potential glitches. Test your plan with a dry run or a phased approach to uncover any issues. This step is crucial to avoid unforeseen challenges during the actual migration. Now execute your carefully crafted plan. Be prepared to adjust as needed, but stick to the strategy. After migration, validate that everything works as expected. Patience is key, follow the roadmap, and your journey to Acumatica will be complete. To manage resistance to change, communicate clearly, and provide comprehensive training and support, Acumatica offers online training resources, documentation, and the option for personalized training from partners. To avoid data loss, perform pre-migration backups and regular data integrity checks. Ensure successful system integration by creating robust integration mapping involving stakeholders and conducting regular testing. By following this roadmap, you'll unleash more efficient financial processes, secure your data with modern standards, and enhance operational functions with flexible accessibility. Your Dynamics GP migration doesn't have to be a treacherous journey. With this guide, you're equipped to navigate the path to a successful Acumatica migration. Visit our blog for all the details.